So today is Christmas, and of course, with that comes some new products. So today I've got the unboxing of the new iPod Touch 4G. Well, it's not that new anymore. It's 8 gigabytes, so let's get started. So first you got the tape on the top. You can see the new packaging, a little more slim, sleek. Maybe Apple's trying to save some money. Just take off the tape. And then you have the iPod right here. I'll put that aside for a second. Then you have this little package. Front door thingy opens. Then you have the instruction manual. All that stuff. Then you have a 30-pin adapter. I would recommend buying a wall charger though. Always comes in handy. Wall chargers are always really nice. And then the famous Apple earbuds. So back to the iPod. Got this little plastic thing. See? Got some tape, I guess. 1 second. Not exactly sure how this goes. So I guess you undo the tape. You couldn't figure that out. And you just pull it through, and then you have a nice screen protector on. It's not a screen protector, well, I guess it is. And then here you have new iPod. You can see the camera in the back, 8 gig, Apple. There's a camera in the front, normal stuff on the sides, top. So there you have it. It's new iPod Touch 4G. It's not that new. Well, I'm guessing a lot of people got it for Christmas. So there you go. Have a good Christmas. This is my unboxing of the iPod Touch 4G.